Am I audible now?
Yes.
Yes, Swatika.
Is my screen also visible?
Yes, Swa.
Yes.
Okay, sorry to keep you waiting. So hello and a wonderful evening to everyone here. So welcome to our first ever info session for Google Developer Student Club in Sri Saram Engineering College. So thank you all for joining in such a short notice. So today's event will be loaded with a lot of activities. So please don't leave the session in between and let's get started at once. Okay, so first of all, I'll give a proper introduction of myself. So I just kept talking from the beginning, but most of you don't know me. So guys, my name is Swatika K. I'm from IT department 3rd year. So I am a women engineer scholar, a mentor, and I'm from Remarkable Initiatives mentor actually, and the Google Developer Student Club founder and lead in Sri Saram Engineering College for the year 2021. So apart from my technical side, I'm an artist and a dancer as well. So today we will officially inform all the details of this club. So please listen and you can put your questions in the chat box. And as I will be sharing my screen, I won't be able to see the questions you post, but my core team members will be answering your doubts. So in case if you want to talk about something also, you can message in the chat box and I'll give you access to the mic. So shall we get into the session?
Yeah, Swatika, I guess we can move on.
Yes, so first of all, I'm thrilled to announce that our club has a faculty advisor and she is Miss Padma ma'am from IT department. She'll help us with everything regarding the club from now on. So ma'am, can you please introduce yourself?
Good evening all. Classல தான் பேச மாட்டோம். எல்லையாவது ஒரு சின்ன good evening சொல்லலாம். Sunday அன்னைக்கு evening 6 o'clock. Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Thank you. Hope you're all safe and hope you're all vaccinated.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. First of all, most of them are from department, right, Swatika?
Yes, ma'am.
Whether the department students have joined?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. First, I would like to thank Swatika from 3rd year IT department for initiating this club into our organization.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Swatika. And also, I would like to thank all the volunteers this event. And I don't know their name. Can you mention their name, Swatika?
Ma'am, Harini, Varsha, Abhisha, everyone, ma'am, like who are all the presenters, they all are a part of the team.
Okay, thank you so much all. And I would like to thank you all the students who are all joining this GDS club from various department and our department. Thank you. Swatika சொன்ன மாதிரி நான் மேஜரா பண்ணேன்னா nothing, just I don't know anything. உங்களை மாதிரி நானும் நியூ கம் டு திஸ் கிளப் அண்ட் ஸ்வாதிகா டிட் எவ்ரி திங். அவங்க வந்து லீட் ஆனதுக்கு அப்புறம் தான் வி நோ தட் இப்படி ஒரு கிளப் இருக்குங்கிறதே. பட் வாட் ஐ நோ த மேஜர் பர்பஸ் ஆஃப் ஃபார்மிங் திஸ் கிளப், I think it has positively contribute to the students' knowledge in a peer-to-peer learning environment. I think so. And with this platform, we are planning to conduct various webinars, seminars, and hackathon. Am I right, Swatika?
Yes, ma'am, exactly, ma'am.
And Swatika will be explaining how we are going to conduct these programs through this club. And I'm expecting your fullest cooperation.
Yes,
Thank you, my dear students. Have a nice evening. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Okay, so let's get straight into the main part of our session. I think most of you have a basic idea of what the club is all about. So our club members must have visited your classes, or I must have visited you all, but I will say it again for those who don't know. So it's basically just another club, like how we have other clubs in our college, like MAPS club, cybersecurity, language club, etc. Yet, look at the name of our club. It's Google Developer Student Club. So we will be conducting so many events, solution challenge, hackathons, cloud programs, tech talks, and even non-technical events. And we will build so many projects as a team in many domains. So most of them will be related to Google technologies, though since it will remain the most top priority for us. So every department student has a chance of being a part of developing projects in their own areas of interest. So we will see about this in the upcoming slides. And Google Cloud, Android, Flutter, machine learning related events will be conducted in more numbers. But apart from that, we are also allowed to conduct other technical events. So which is why we have more than 10 teams in our club. And moreover, the programs will be collaborated with other colleges in Tamil Nadu and from all over India as well. And I promise you that I will ensure as much as fun in the upcoming year. Okay. So what will we do? Connect, learn, and grow. This is the motto of Developers Club. We can actually understand what they mean by connect, learn, and grow, right? So as you can see, we have many department students in our club, and it is a very diverse population. So which means that you will get connected with various peoples from different backgrounds and learn so much together. And the Developers Club is all about learning. The main purpose of it is to gain knowledge, of course, in a peer-to-peer environment. And since this club is entirely student-based, I think you can understand how much we can do together as a group, right? And we ourselves will be handling everything and improve our skills drastically in the coming year and growing. So GDSE's main method of getting skilled is socialized learning. We learn more and get better along with our friends, right? So we usually go for any hackathons or stuff with our friends. So people easily grow more towards success when they climb as a team. And peer-to-peer environments means it gives us a very fun learning environment. And wherever you need support, the core team and I will be there to help you. So you will learn and also teach your peers at the same time. Okay, so most of you have been waiting to hear this. What are the perks of being a member? All I can say is it's everything a student can ever ask for. So our club will have a really comfortable learning environment with students from many departments. We all are gathered under one roof. So take my case as an example. My core members are from different departments like CSE, E&I, ECE, MEC, etc. By talking to them, I get to know the different domains of tech field I didn't know before. So, and I'm sure they learn something from me as well. This is basically like a give and take policy. So you share knowledge among your group of friends and receive some in return. So second, a platform to host your technical events. Have you ever wanted to host an event by yourself? So for whatever domain it might be, related or unrelated to Google technologies, so you can approach me with your idea along with our team. We will conduct your event within our campus and even in collaboration with other campuses. So if you have any ideas or if you're strong in some category and if you would love to expose it out loud, please approach me or our core team members and we will definitely help you. Third, you have a chance to develop your skills. Of course, as we discussed earlier, the club will be active for 1 year. So throughout the whole year, we will be continuously having events that are going to be loaded with fun. And at the same time, you will also learn a lot. So it will improve your technical skills as well. I'm very sure that each of you here who joins the club will gain knowledge that will be beneficial. So please take it seriously and be an active member if you are interested. And teamwork and connections. So as long as we keep our club filled with fun activities and programs, you will find yourself connecting to a lot of new people, explore unknown domains, and come up with ideas as a team and host them together. So any event that you want to conduct, manage, or participate will ultimately improve your speaking skills and presentation skills. Like how I am improving myself now, you will also get a chance. And since this is entirely among students, you will have a supportive background without anybody judging you. We will only share constructive criticisms and we will help you make your skills better in any case. So last but not least, for every event you participate, we will provide you with cool certificates, badges, and swags. We also promise again to bring the best sponsors for our events. The winners or top performance of every program will get swags and the program's merchandise. So yeah, we will also provide certificates and badges for the participants as well. So our platform, most of you are already following, but still we have a website for GDSC community where you can find our college chapter. So if you join as a member in the club, it's very mandatory for you to join this chapter. So yeah, you can join using this QR code here, and I'll also send the link to you in the chat box. So please join it now itself or within tonight. So I'll show you the platform now. One second. So is this visible?
Yes, Monica, it is.
Okay, so this is it. You can see our info session here. It's not moving. One second. So yeah, you can even see our info session here, right? So every update regarding our campus events will be here. So if you join the chapter now, you will get updated about everything, and you will even receive a lot of emails. So I'll show you our chapter here. Yeah, so this is our college chapter. Once you open the link, you will find a join us option. Since I've already logged in, it doesn't show it for me. So when you are joining, we recommend you to use your college mail ID to join. So this platform will be our official site, and all the events we host will be declared here. As I said before, you will be receiving a lot of emails and constant updates about our chapter if you are a member. And also this time, most of you have wondered what RSVP is, right? So RSVP basically means registering for the event. Only if you RSVP, you will be able to join the session. So yeah, when you RSVP for any particular event, then it means that you have booked your seat for it. And yeah, just be familiar with this word from now on, since we will be using this a lot from now. And okay, let's go back to our session again. Okay, so how to join the club? I will answer one of your major questions now. To become a member, you have to do 4 things. First and foremost is to join the campus chapter, as I showed you in the last slide. Second is to join the WhatsApp group where all the updates will be sent. Third, join the Discord server, since it's easier to conduct events there. So I'll also send the Discord link. And last but not least, you have to fill the Google form where we want to learn about your interest and whatever teams you would like to join. And from there, we will take it to the next step. Yeah, the Discord server link will be provided now, and you can join with the QR code. Just scan the code and join the channels. These links will be sent to you in the chat box, so you can join everything at your convenience. And from the groups, you can join any team you want later. Yeah, and to become a member, you have to follow all these 4 steps. Okay, now let's take a short break with a little quiz. I'll ask you to go to menti.com and enter this code to join the quiz. And today's first quiz credits go to Abhisha and Sneha Jaiswal for creating and deciding the questions. Thanks to both of you. And Abhisha, you can start sharing your screen.
Is it visible, Swati?
Yes, it is, Abhisha.
So guys, just go to menti.com and enter the code. Thirty-seven participants have joined. Let's wait for some time to some.
Okay.
Participants.
There are 100 of you, but only 50 has joined. Quickly join, guys. This is going to be really fun.
Users have joined for free.
Then shall we start?
Yeah, let's start.
Okay, then start.
So this will be our first question. How much excited are you to be a member of GDSC? Like, rate the scaling from 1 to 10.
It's a word cloud, guys. So, okay, we have a 10, 9, Very much. That's great. Guys, fill in quickly. We have a lot of exciting responses.
7 people are there, but only like few response we can see it, right?
Yeah. Guys, come on, fill quickly.
You. As sweet as cherry, is it?
Is that all, guys? Come on.
71 have joined. But we see only like 15 answers responses.
Yeah, that's very low.
But 71 people are playing it.
Okay, then let's move on to the next one.
Okay then. So what technologies are you most interested to learn about? Like technology name?
Wow, cloud technology. Okay, we are getting a lot of answers for this.
Yeah.
Yes, why don't you answer the first question then?
The more response you get, the larger the number becomes. So people did respond.
Okay. Wow, that's a lot.
58 people answered.
So we have AI, data science, Flutter, and machine learning at top. Is it?
Yeah, and cloud technology people, you won't be disappointed because we have a session. I don't want to give a spoiler, but you'll see.
So I guess that's it, Swati. Can I move to the next
Okay,
question?
let's move on to the next one. Most of them were like trending technologies in 2021, right?
Yeah.
This was so exciting. Like, look at you all. You are already amazing knowing about all these technologies. I hope you get to work on them as a part of this club soon. Okay, the next one. We have a lot of participants. Okay, now the quiz questions start. We have asked some questions related to Google and its products. So let's see who's the most updated person here. Okay, here comes the first question. The first tweet from Google was? Okay, only 17 of you got it right, but that's okay. Shantini, you're the top. Congrats.
So let's move on to the next question.
Yes. But 3% of all searches on Google came from tablet, PC, laptop, or smartphone.
Yeah, so let's see
Okay,
the
most of you got it right. That's amazing. Let's see who's the top now.
fastest. Akshaya, very fast.
Akshaya,
Congrats, Akshaya.
congrats. Then it's the last question now.
Yeah.
Okay. Guys, come on. The
That's
Google
a difficult
homepage. What,
I
Varsha?
guess that's a difficult question.
Yeah. It's
And the
okay,
options
just
are-
take a guess, guys.
And the options are pretty close.
Yeah. Let's see.
24.
Yeah. Most of you are opted for the largest number. It's okay. Still, 24 people got it right.
Let's read about it.
Yeah. Who's the winner? Oops, Akshaya, she got it. Hari Jagdish, congrats.
Jagadish.
Congrats, Hari Jagdish.
Yeah, if you want, you can put an introduction about yourself in the chat, Hari. Come on. Let's
I'll
know
show
who's the
myself.
winner. Hari Jagdish, are you on the meet? Hi. Okay, so he's a third year production engineering student. That's amazing, Hari. Happy to meet you as well. Thank you for joining and congrats again. Is it visible? Okay, then now let's get back to the session. I think it was fun having the quiz. Don't worry, we have another activity coming up soon. If you didn't win this, it's okay, you have another chance. So, okay, now we all know that our club will be active with so many programs. But do you know what teams we have? So, let's see the teams one by one. If you are interested in any of the team, then you can join that particular team as a member, and it's not restricted to join only one team, and you can join as many as you want. So let's hear from the leads of each team on what they are going to do. Okay, thank Harini.
Okay, yeah, so I'll take over. So, hello everyone. I'm Harini M from third year CSC department. I'm a Google Women Engineer Scholar and a front-end web developer. I'm currently the tech team lead of this club. So, moving on to the next slide. As you can see here, we have quite a few major technical teams. We have the web development team, app development team with a main focus on Flutter, since we'll be using Flutter and other Google technologies to build our projects. We also have the technical design and analysis team, AI ML team, data science, and the programming team. So we'll be organizing various sessions and workshops on different concepts of programming, problem solving, and development. And our aim is to expose you to Google technologies and make you aware of how we use them to solve real life problems. So we'll be encouraging and guiding you to participate in various open source programs as well. So you'll learn a lot in the process. We'll also be sharing wide variety of opportunities available with you. Like the 30 Days of Google Cloud program we'll be starting soon is a great program to help you get started with cloud technologies. Swatika will give you more details on that real soon. So likewise, we'll be having many more events in future. And this is just the tip of the iceberg. And I have my team heads now to tell you more about each team in detail. They'll give you a brief introduction about what each team does. And if your interests match with a particular team, you can be a member of that team. And you can also contribute to the team. So, like she said, there's no restrictions. You can be a part of any number of teams. And we believe this is going to be a great way to learn and grow together as a community. So if you have any doubts or any suggestions, you can contact me or any member of the core team. Feel free to reach out to us. Looking forward to working with you all. Happy learning. Over to the app dev team lead, Karthik.
Thank you, Harini. That was a great introduction of your team. So let's see what the tech team has in store. Okay, here comes web development. Shweta, go on.
Hello, am I audible?
Yeah, you are.
Okay. Good evening, everyone. I welcome you all for this info session. Now, coming to the web development team. So, everything we search on Google, it actually opens to a website, right? So, web development basically involves designing the features and functionalities of the website. So, it basically involves the work in developing the website. So basically, what we learn in this is how to create, build, operate, and run a website. So it also involves in managing the database, which is actually run behind the scenes. But yeah, we'll also learn that. So we are planning to work on many exciting projects on the future, and all the hackathons, everything. We are gonna design the website for that as well. So taking web development as your main part of your domain, so I can see a lot of internship and freelancing opportunities as well. Now, people who are interested in web development, they might have a confusion like where to start with. So I just want to make this point very clear that web development does not involve only HTML, CSS, and JS. It is actually broken into many subgroups. So it involves front-end development, back-end development, and a full-stack development. So in front-end development, we basically start with HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap as well. Many people learn a lot of frameworks after this, like popular ones are React.js and AngularJS. So you can learn these also. And coming to the back-end development, so here we actually manage database, user authentication. So here many people combine tech stacks like Python and Django, Java and Spring in order to implement the backend to their website. Now, after this, manage the database. This is also an important part. So in order to manage the database, we can learn SQL, PHP, and actually make you build a website, full-fledged website. So now those who are interested in joining the web dev team, they can contact me or any one of our core members for getting the further
Yes.
information. Yes, and looking forward to working with you all, and thank you so much.
Thank you, Shweta. That was a very detailed description. Okay, so next, the app development team. Please take the mic.
I think I'm audible.
Yeah, you are.
Hi, this is Karthik B. First of all, I would like to thank Ms. Swatika K for selecting me as the head of app development team in Google Developer Students Club of Sri Sai Ram Engineering College. Before speaking about the team, I would like to introduce myself that I am currently pursuing my third year IT at Sri Sai Ram Engineering College, and I am app developer, that's Android app developer and competitive programmer. First of all, before joining this college, I have no knowledge about Android app and programming and even everything. But due to this COVID pandemic, I got interested towards Android development and started learning it. It is apt to say searching instead of learning, because searching information and implementing it only will lead to emergence of good developer. So all start searching instead of learning and try to implement what you have searched. By joining this club, we will initiate and coordinate many such events, and also we will learn together and get to know things together. I will help you out for becoming a good Android app developer. Since this is our first introductory session, I haven't prepared any PPT because I don't want app dev enthusiastic to get bored of it. In near future, we will get deep into Android and develop cool apps. If possible, we can create a Google Play Store developer account in the name of Google Developer Student Club at Sri Sai Ram Engineering College, and we can post our apps developed by our team there, so that we can get reach throughout the world. And finally, if you ask any doubts to our members, we can help you out for the enhancement of the developers. And finally, I thank you all the members who are spending your valuable time on this time slot. And also, I heartfully invite people who are currently learning about Android and who are eager to learn about Android to expand the knowledge of Android throughout our campus. Thank you. Thanks for this wonderful time. Thank you.
Thank you, Karthik. That was really awesome. And thank you for introducing your ideas as well. We will definitely work on it. So, okay. Next, we have a very important team with its head member, Ganesh. Ganesh, please take the mic. We will go fast because it's already
Yeah, okay,
time.
Swatika. Yeah, இப்போ என்னோட இன்ட்ரோ ஸ்கிப் பண்ணிடுறேன். இப்போ நம்ம Flutter பத்தி பார்ப்போம். ஓகேவா? இப்போ Flutter அப்படின்னா it's an open source UI software development. Yeah, it's just not an application development framework. It is an open source UI software development. Okay, it's created by Google, and it's also available in multiple platforms, and it's also used to create multiple platform applications. Okay, so அடுத்த ஸ்லைட் தெரியும். ஸோ நம்ம இப்போ வந்து why Flutter, எதுக்கு நம்ம Flutter யூஸ் பண்ணணுன்றதை பார்த்தோம். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஆஃப் ஆல் இட்ஸ் ஃபாஸ்ட். இப்போ நம்ம கம்பேர் பண்ணியே பார்ப்போம். மற்ற ஆப் டெவலப்மெண்ட் டூல்ஸோ இல்லை ஆப் டெவலப்மெண்ட் லாங்குவேஜஸ் யூஸ் பண்ணும்போது நமக்கு ஒரு காமனான ஒரு ப்ராப்ளம் இருக்கும். இப்போ அந்த கோடில் ஏதாவது சேஞ்ச் பண்ணோம் அப்படின்னா ஒரு 10 to 20 seconds வெயிட் பண்ண வேண்டியது ரீலோட் பண்ணுறதுக்கு, ஏன்னா அது லோட் ஆகிட்டே இருக்கும். ஓகே, பட் Flutterல இதுக்காகவே யூனிக்காக 2 ஃபீச்சர்ஸ் இருக்கு, ஹாட் ரீலோட் அண்ட் ஹாட் ரீஸ்டார்ட் அப்படின்ட்டு. ஹாட் ரீலோட் அது வந்து எதுக்குன்னா நம்ம இருக்க பேஜ்லேயே நம்ம பண்ண சேஞ்சஸை பார்க்கறதுக்காக ஹாட் ரீலோட் பண்ணிக்கலாம். அண்ட் ஹாட் ரீஸ்டார்ட் நம்ம ஃபர்ஸ்ட்லேருந்து அந்த ஆப் ஃபர்ஸ்ட்லேருந்து ஸ்டார்ட் ஆகிறதுக்கு தனியாக ஒன்று வச்சுருக்காங்க. ஓகே, ஸோ இது இல்லாமல் நான் சொன்னல 10 to 20 to 30 seconds ஆகும் அப்படின்ட்டு. இப்போ நம்ம Flutterல பார்த்தீங்கன்னா less than 5 seconds இந்த ப்ராசஸ் வந்து. ஸோ அண்ட் நம்ம டெவலப்பர் ஃப்ரெண்ட்லி. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஆஃப் ஆல் டெவலப்பர் ஃப்ரெண்ட்லி ஏன் சொல்கிறேன் அப்படின்னா Flutter கம்யூனிட்டி நல்லா இருக்கும். இட் இஸ் இப்போ நம்ம டவுட்ஸ்லாம் கேட்போம்ல, அந்த டவுட்ஸ் டக்குன்னு ஆன்சர் பண்ணுறதுக்கும் அந்த கம்யூனிட்டி ஃப்ரெண்ட்லியாகவும் ஹெல்ப்ஃபுல்லாகவும் இருக்கும். அண்ட் இன்னும் ரெண்டாவது பாயிண்ட் பார்ப்போம். Flutterல நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ணுற விஜெட்ஸ்க்கு எல்லாமே கோட் பை பண்ணுறோம். ஏன்னா ஃப்ளட்டர் வந்து நான் முதல்ல சொன்ன மாதிரி ஒரு ஓப்பன் சோர்ஸ் சாஃப்ட்வேர், ஓகேவா? ஸோ அண்ட் அதனால எப்படின்னா நம்ம ஃப்ளட்டர் இப்போ ஆண்ட்ராய்ட் ஸ்டுடியோ யூஸ் பண்ணுறீங்க, VS கோடில் யூஸ் பண்ணுறீங்கன்னா கூட அதோட பேக் எண்டில் இப்போ ஒரு ஆப் ஆர் ஒரு பட்டன் ஆர் ஒரு டெக்ஸ்ட் விஜெட் யூஸ் பண்ணா கூட அதுக்கு கோட் என்ன இருக்குது, அது எப்படி அவங்க கோட் பண்ணியிருக்காங்கன்றத நம்ம போய் பார்த்துக்கலாம். ஸோ இதுவே அந்த கோடில் பக் இருந்தால் கூட நம்ம சேஞ்ச் பண்ணி போஸ்ட் பண்ணி நம்ம கான்ட்ரிபியூட் பண்ணுறதோ அது மாதிரி நம்ம பண்ணிக்கலாம், ஓகேவா? அண்ட் அடுத்த பாயிண்ட் வந்து ஃப்ளட்டர் இஸ் கிராஸ் பிளாட்ஃபார்ம், ஓகேவா? கிராஸ் பிளாட்ஃபார்ம் லாங்குவேஜ் அப்படின்னா எல்லா பிளாட்ஃபார்ம்லேயும் வந்து ரன் ஆகும். இப்போ எனக்கு தெரிந்த சில பிளாட்ஃபார்ம் சொல்கிறேன். ஆண்ட்ராய்டு, iOS, விண்டோஸ், மேக் ஓஎஸ் அண்ட் லினக்ஸ். ஈவன் வெப்சைட்ஸில் கூட நம்ம ஃப்ளட்டர் யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம். ஃப்ளட்டர் வெப்ன்ற மாதிரி ஒன்று வந்துருக்கு. இப்போ அந்த ஃப்ளட்டர் வெப்பும் ஸ்டேபிளாக தான் இருக்குது. ஸோ இப்போ நம்ம ஃப்ளட்டரை வெப்லேயே நம்ம லான்ச் பண்ணலாம். எப்படி சொல்ல வரேன்னா ஃப்ளட்டர் வச்சு நம்ம வெப்சைட் இதுதான். அண்டு அது இல்லாமல் ஃப்ளட்டர் இஸ் பவர்ஃபுல். இப்போ சொன்ன எல்லா பாயிண்ட்ஸும் வச்சு உங்களுக்கு தெரிஞ்சிருக்கும் ஃப்ளட்டர் ஏன் பவர்ஃபுல்னு சொல்லிட்டு. இப்போ நம்ம வந்து iOS கிரியேட் பண்ணோம் அப்படின்னா ஆப்ஜெக்டிவ் சி இருக்கு அண்ட் ஸ்விஃப்ட் இருக்கு அண்ட் ஜாவா இப்போ நம்ம ஆண்ட்ராய்ட் ஆப்ஸ் கிரியேட் பண்ணோம்னா ஜாவா எக்ஸாம்பிள் யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம், இல்லை காட்லின் யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம். அண்டு அது இல்லாமல் நம்ம இப்போ டெஸ்க்டாப் ஆப்ஸ்லாம் பில்ட் பண்ணோம்னா C# யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம். தனித்தனியாக பில்ட் பண்ணுற மாதிரி இருக்கலாம். அண்ட் வெப்சைட்ஸுக்கு வந்து HTML, JavaScript அது யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம். தனித்தனியாக பில்ட் பண்ணுற மாதிரி இருக்கும். பட் இப்போ நம்ம ஃப்ளட்டர் எடுத்துக்கோன்னா ஒரே கோட் பேஸில் எல்லாமே செக் பண்ணிக்கலாம், ஓகேவா? ஸோ இதான் ஃப்ளட்டர் வந்து ஏன் பார்க்கணும்னு சொல்கிறேன்னா இந்த ரீசன் தான். இது வந்து ஒரு ஷார்ட் ஃபிலிம்ஸ் தான் சொல்லியிருக்கேன். இதை தவிர நிறைய டெஸ்டிங் ப்ராசஸ் எல்லாமே இன்பில்ட்டாக வச்சுருக்காங்க ஃப்ளட்டரில். நீங்கள் இப்போ இந்த டீம் சேர்ந்தீங்க அப்படின்னா பின்னாடி என்னென்ன இருக்குன்னு நம்ம டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணி பார்க்கலாம், ஓகே? ஸோ தட்ஸ் இட் அபவுட் ஃப்ளட்டர். அண்ட் ஃப்ளட்டருக்கு நம்ம ஃப்ளட்டர் வச்சு என்னென்ன ஆப்ஸ்லாம் பில்ட் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க அண்ட் ஃப்ளட்டர் என்னென்ன ஆர்கனைசேஷன்லாம் யூஸ் பண்ணுறாங்க அப்படின்றத அடுத்த ஸ்லைட் பார்க்கலாம். So these are some popular apps built by Flutter and அடுத்த ஸ்லைட் சரியா? சரி. ஸோ இப்போ நீங்கள் பார்க்கலாம் யாரெல்லாம் ஸ்பான்சர்ஸாக இருக்காங்க, யாரெல்லாம் ஆர்கனைசேஷன்ஸாக இருக்காங்க அப்படின்ட்டு. கூகுள், அலிபாபா, eBay, Dream11, நூபேங்க் அண்ட் BMW ஏன் இருக்காங்க அப்படின்னு பாருங்க. BMW ஆப்ஸ் கிரியேட் பண்ணுறதுல BMW சிஸ்டம்ஸ்லாம் அந்த GPS போடுறது அந்த காரில் ஃப்ரண்ட்டாக இருக்கும்ல, அண்ட் அதுக்காக காரோட எம்பெடட் சிஸ்டம் கிரியேட் பண்ண அது OS கிரியேட் பண்ணவே ஃப்ளட்டர் ஹெல்ப் பண்ணுறாங்க. இந்த ஜூன் 2021 தான் ஆரம்பிச்சதுன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். இப்போ வந்து அந்த ப்ராசஸ் போயிட்டு இருக்கு. ஸோ BMW ஃப்ளட்டரோட ஒரு ஸ்பான்சர். அது இல்லாமல் NU பேங்க் பேங்க்ஸ்னாலே இப்போ உங்களுக்கு தெரியும் அது எவ்வளோ செக்யூராக இருக்கும், டேட்டாலாம் எவ்வளோ செக்யூராக இருக்கும் அப்படின்றது. ஸோ இதை வச்சு நீங்கள் வந்து ஃப்ளட்டர் சொல்லலாம். எந்த டேட்டா லீக்கும் இல்லை, பர்ஃபெக்டான செக்யூராக ஒரு ஸ்டேபிளாக இருக்கும், ஓகேவா? ஸோ ஃப்ளட்டர் யூஸ் பண்ணுறதுல ப்ராப்ளம் இல்லை. ஃப்ளட்டர் டீம் சேரணும்னா கோர் மெம்பர் கிட்டயோ இல்லை என்னையோ கான்டாக்ட்.
Thank you, Ganesh. Thank you. That was a very, very detailed view of Flutter. Actually, Flutter team is a very important part of our club. So if you want to join it, please contact us, me or Ganesh or whoever from the core team. Okay, so now we have a technical design and analysis team with its head Ashwin H. Since he is unfortunately not available today, we have an amazing volunteer who offered to talk about the team on Ashwin's absence. So take the mic.
Thank you, Swadhika. And this is Sriram from Mechanical Department. So I'm the student member of this team. So without any further ado, what is design analysis? It's like if you take any simple product, like it can be whatever it may be, it has to go through several steps in process. Can you please?
Okay.
Yeah, these are the 8 steps. Well, it depends upon the product which has to go through each steps. So these are the preliminary steps it has to go through. First, we need to do some research. As you guys know, we need to have some idea what we are going to do and what we are going to work on it. So that is the preliminary step, and then we have to have a rough idea about the product, what we are going to design and what we are going to create. So then comes the analysis part, where we analyze everything like physical properties and other material stuffs, whether it can withstand all the physical factors. So then after we have to release the product. So it has to go these many steps. So after all these steps, a successful product will be delivered to the market. So as Matika said, we are ready to conduct many webinars and other club related activities. So if you are interested, you can contact us, and we are very happy to share our knowledge with you guys. The software which we are very proficient in using is Fusion 360. So if you are interested, you can join our team. Thank you.
Thank you again, Sriram. Actually, many of us don't know what this team is all about. I think he cleared all the doubts. And, okay, now let's move on to our next team, our artificial intelligence and machine learning team with its head, Karan. So, Karan, take the mic. You there?
Yeah.
Okay, hi.
Hi. Well, guys, I'm Karan, and I'll be your machine learning and artificial intelligence lead for GDSC SSEC chapter. We will be working on cool projects involving machine learning, which is both supervised, unsupervised, and as well as reinforcement learning, involving a lot of algorithms and things like that. We will also be working on deep learning concepts, and we are going to implement a lot of projects in it. We will also be working on a lot of artificial intelligence projects, right? So you guys might think that machine learning is actually hard and max is needed, and you need to be good at max. Nothing of that sort. It's all myth. Max is only important when you actually get into research, which is not development. It's actually which is not application oriented. So max is only important in machine learning to make projects. So max is actually not important to machine learning to make projects, but max might help in machine learning, but it is not a necessary thing, because max is actually inbuilt within the Python libraries, which is just callable. That's it. So yeah, so that's all we are going to do in machine learning and deep learning committee over here. So yeah, guys, I don't know what else to say. So if we have, we can meet in a technical session, or else if it was offline, we will meet in a technical event. Okay, bye-bye.
Definitely, Karan. That was a great start. Actually, come on, guys. This is a very growing tech, and if you want to learn about it, even from scratch, he's going to help you a lot. So if you are interested, you can join this team as well. Thank you, Karan. So, okay, let's move on to the next team. It's data science with its head, Jyotika.
Am I audible?
Yes, you are.
Okay, hi guys, this is Jyotika, head of data science team. And basically this data science is a practice of mining a large data set, both structured and unstructured, to identify the patterns and extract some insights from them. The basic foundation of data science is the machine learning algorithm development and predictive analysis, computer science, and new technologies to gain more insights from them. Important in data science, you must learn the data science with statistics. Those statistics concepts is mainly involved in data science, and we all know the basics. A is the subset of ML, and ML is the subset of DL. But the data scientists work in all these three fields. So if you have any doubts in data science, and we will be contacting further events and some contribution in more projects. So you can feel free to contact me anytime. I'll help you, and happy learning.
Thank you, Jyotika. That was very cool. Okay, we have the next team for programming with its head, Annamalai.
So I hope I'm audible. So I myself, Annamalai, I'm the lead of programming team. So first, let me say the importance of programming. Whenever you join engineering, you just can't simply say I belong to so-and-so department, which doesn't even need coding. So why do you expect me to code? You just can't simply say that, because it doesn't matter which department you belong to, you're expected to code. That is one of the prerequisites for an engineering student. I won't say you must have it. It's something which you can have it to improve your resume or something, anything. It's just a plus point or addition to whatever your quality is. But it's something what everyone needs to have, all the engineering students needs to have. So this is one of the important sector where I think everyone needs to have this something. So it helps in areas. So the idea of whatever I have to know for this team is to conduct regular webinars, seminars, and problem solving, helping people out in problem solving, like every other team leads had. But what I have something extra is to conduct regular coding contests, because the more contests you attend, the more confidence you get, and the more problems you'll solve. And the problem solving is not something which comes by learning; it only comes out by practice. So we'll help people in practicing a lot of problem solving, and we'll teach them more algorithms to solve the problem. Because after some point of time, just solving the problem is not going to help you. The way you solve it is more important than you solving it. So, and the languages what I want to focus on is C and Java. The reason why I chose this couple of languages is now currently the widely used language is Java. So literally every company needs it. As far as whatever I asked from my seniors regarding their placement experience, everyone said every company is expecting you to have some quality of Java. So that is why I chose C. And for the C is you don't have a lot of input functions in C. You have to do everything manually, so which improves your logical ability to solve a problem. So these are the two languages which I'm focused on and which I want to improve on everyone's quality. So that is what I'm looking forward. And the more you join us, we'll achieve together underlined. Thank you.
Thank you, Annamalai. That was awesome. Okay, then let's move on to the next. It's a very interesting women in tech team with its lead Reshmija. Please take the mic, Reshmija.
So hello, I'm Reshmija K. Ramesh from third year ECE. So telling about myself, so I'm the Women at Tech lead at the Google Developer Student Club, and I also hold the position of secretary at the SPS Society of IEEE. And currently I'm doing internship at Vaishastra Aerospace, which is an IT incubated company. And apart from my technical side, I'm a Bharatanatyam dancer and a state player of chess. And so coming about why is the need of Women at Tech in Google Developer Student Club is, we all know the involvement of women towards technical side is very less, and even the number of positions held by women when compared to men are relatively less. So even the rules are like that. At least 30% of women are to be in the sector. But are those number defines the capabilities of women? Of course not. There are so many reasons behind those numbers, and of course we have to encourage women to get into the technological field, because if men thinks in men and women both are unique, because if men think in a certain way, women thinks in a different way, and with the collaborative effort of diversity we can bring so much of wonders and so many return and benefits. But still there is a question mark why the involvement of women is less. So basically we have to realize the importance of women in technological field, because previously the problem was about the mindset of people, because they thought like women are not fit for anything, and they are just to be they are only fit to take care of the children and look after the household works. But slowly women started breaking those mindset. They started coming out of home, they started working, they started launching startups, and now there are so many successful and so many powerful women, right from Mary Curie to PV Sindhu. There are so many women achievers. So that's where our initiative starts. Even our team focus on that. We want to create so many powerful and successful women, both at their career and life, so that we can inspire other people to do the same. So coming about the events that we are going to conduct is, we'll be conducting both technical as well as non-technical events. So once again, it will be for the betterment of women's society, and those who really catch the mindset of us, and those who really realize the importance, because this is the right place where we can start this wonderful initiative. So people who can work with us are really most welcome. Thank you.
Thank you, Reshmija. Your words hold a lot of truth in them. So let's conduct a lot of events for the Women's Society, of course. Okay, now let's welcome our creative team with its lead, Abhisha.
Hi guys, so I'm Abhisha from third year IT department. First of all, thank you Swatika for such an amazing platform. So to start with, under this creative team, there are a lot of sub teams like graphic, poster editing, video editing, and content writing too. So under each sub team, we have heads too. And nowadays, people think that they should only concentrate on technical side for the future things, right? I guess many things have changed. UX, IX designers and like content writers are much needed, and they are in great demand nowadays. Even companies like Google, Zoho, Flipkart are in search of content writers, and recently started to do my intern in Zoho as a content writer before 2 days. If you just put your skill set as a content writer or a designer in LinkedIn page, you can see like various internship job requirements for such things. So this would be the great platform forum for you guys to show up your talents and prove yourself. And I wish each and every creative mind to join this GDSC Tool Developer Student Club and to get involved yourself in all upcoming events, hackathons, seminars, and etc. etc. So that's all about this. Thank you.
Thank you for briefing, Abhisha, and congrats for getting into Zoho. And okay, next comes our outreach team lead, Shantini. Shantini, take the mic.
Hi everyone.
Hi.
So happy to meet you all guys in this fine evening. So I'm Shantini, currently doing my third year from the Department of Information Technology. A big thanks to Swatika for trusting in me and giving the position of core member and outreach lead. Okay, I'm very delighted to be the core member and lead of the outreach team. About me, I'm more interested in robotic process automation and in non-technical side, I write blogs. Coming back to the team, that is the outreach team. Here we manage the social handles, market and reach out to the people about the events going to be conducted, and also we search for sponsors for the events. In short, we will be the final framework of the event, displaying and portraying the work of every member in the team to the outside world. That's it. Thank you.
Thank you, Shantini. Okay, let's slide on to the last but not least management team lead, Varsha.
Hello everyone. First ஒரு question. ரொம்ப மொக்க போடுறேன். சாட்ல ஒரு மெசேஜ் கூட காணோம். எல்லாரும் தூங்கிட்டு இருக்கீங்களா? I'm still awake அப்படியே ஒரு மெசேஜ் போடுங்க. அப்ப யாரும் போடல. எல்லாரும் தூங்குறீங்க.
மெசேஜ் வந்தா எனக்கும் சொல்லுப்பா.
2 பேர் போட்டாங்க அப்போ.
2 பேர் தானா? Come on guys.
Question is okay.
Okay.
ரொம்ப மொக்க போடல. ஃபைன் இல்ல. எனர்ஜி இருக்கா? இன்னொரு குவிஸ்லாம் இருக்கு. Okay. So I'm not here for technical events எல்லாம். fun பண்ணனும்னா எங்கயா சொல்லுங்க, we'll do. So anything related to events, அதாவது எப்போ என்ன நடக்குது, can I conduct an event, can I host that அப்படினா you can post me, you can ping me. For a non-technical event, okay, thank you. Yes, so many people are still awake. non-technical event host பண்ணனும் அப்படினா கூட like among us விளையாடணும், எல்லாரும் சேர்ந்து மூவி நைட் ஆர்கனைஸ் பண்ணனும்,
சூப்பரா பண்ணலாம்.
IR செஷன் வேணும்னா I'm there, okay, just ping me.
எல்லா டிஸ்கார்ட் சர்வர் ஜாயின் பண்ணுங்க, அங்க எல்லாம் பண்ணலாம்.
Sure.
அவ்வளவுதானா? Thank you so much, Varsha. I think you woke most of the people, and fine, let's move on.
Yeah, I want to keep it short.
Yeah, so that's it guys. Are those themes enough? We have 10 plus themes. Okay, so we almost have everything in our club actually. Okay, now you're wondering how many teams you can join, right? So the answer is as many as you want. So as long as you will contribute to the teams, you can go for any category of our club. But let me clear this once again. You will be encouraged to participate in every program conducted by your teams, and you'll get certificates, badges, or whatever only on contribution. So yeah, that's it to sum up. Fine. That was done in one shot. Now let's relax again. So you can calmly think about your teams when you play this quiz. Okay, so this quiz credits also go to Varsha and Sneha Jaiswal again for creating and deciding the questions. So everyone go to kahoot.it and Varsha will take over now.
You're sharing the screen, bro.
Oh, 1 second.
Yes, damn it. There are 2 Kahoot screens open. I don't know which one. Wonderful. I'll share this as well. I'll share the entire screen. Just tell me if the sound effect works, okay?
Okay, sure.
Yeah. Can you hear the volume or not? I mean the sound and all?
No.
I'm muted. Sorry. Welcome, Amodini.
Varsha, we can't hear the audio yet.
You can't hear the audio. Oh my god.
Oh, okay, fine. Cool.
You can hear it now?
No, not yet. I think you have to share your computer audio while your screen sharing your screen.
I guess you have to share the tab.
No, there's this option to share your computer audio, no matter what.
Please sharing the tab.
Yeah, you can try.
Yeah. Now we can hear it?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay,
how many people do we have?
39 participants, but
என்ன பலர் அவேக் அவேக்னு சொல்லிட்டு தூங்குறீங்களா திருப்பி?
இல்ல வருவாங்க.
உங்களதான் எடுக்கணும்க்கா. உங்க இருக்க போன் எடுக்கணும்.
கைஸ் நேம் போட்டு வாங்க, அப்புறமா யாரு வின்னர்னு தெரியாது.
அண்டர்ஸ்கோர் ஐஃபோன்
52 participants.
Karan, you're joining very late. You're a core team member, dude. You can't be so late. There are about 100 people in the panel, right?
Actually 80 something.
80 something.
பாதி பேர் எஸ்கேப் பண்ணாங்க.
Okay, let's wait for one more minute and then we start, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, let's start.
Yeah, we can start.
So, yaar ko na pin copy பண்ணி chat la போடுறீங்களா?
நான் போடுறேன்.
8699252. Works? chat la போடியாப்பா?
இரு ஒரே நிமிஷம். போட்டாச்சு. Okay, question 1. What's a club motto?
Second option is the blue color option na padiya. Idam போடணும்.
Hey, third option D.
Second option. கீழ ஆன்சர் லிஸ்ட்ல வரணும். ஓ, பரவாயில்லையே.
பரவாயில்ல, கவனிச்சிட்டீங்க.
10 members going to have fun here.
நம்பிட்டாங்க.
Really, this is too much. நீயும் பட்டாப்ல இருக்க.
சாரி பா, ஆர்வம் கலர்ல போட்டேன்.
Students from any year and any branch can enroll. True or false? எல்லாம் யோசிச்சுக்கோங்க.
False.
False தான்.
எல்லா இயர்ல எந்த
யார் இந்த 3 பேர் வந்து தப்பா போட்டது? எத்தனை வாட்டி சொன்னேன் நானு.
நீ சரியா சொல்ல, யாருக்கும் கேட்கலப்பா.
ஓகே, இப்போ
underscore is leading. Wonderful. Oh, sorry, hyphen. Fourth
How
one.
many technologies
Fourth
are we
one.
going to explore?
Fourth one. பத்தியா 6 பேருக்கு இன்னும் பண்ணதான் வேணும்.
யார் அந்த 6 பேர்?
Good job, Harini. So we have Nitish.
Thank you.
So we have Nitish, Prithvi, Kartika, Shweta, and Srinidhi Andra.
Come on, guys. Come on. Guys, நான் கூட ஸ்பாயிலர் சொல்ல வேணாம்னு பார்த்து சொல்லிட்டேன். இதுக்கு மேல வந்துட்டு பாதி ஆன்சரே வெளில வந்துருச்சு. Come on.
ஸ்பாயிலர் சொன்னேன்.
ஆமா. இதுல இருந்தே தெரிஞ்சிரும் யார் கவனிச்சா கவனிக்கல.
Flutter. Yeah, ends flow.
I also choose Flutter.
பரவாயில்ல. எல்லா பேரும் கவனிச்சிருக்காங்க.
பாதி பேர் கவனிக்கல. 14 members தான் கவனிச்சிருக்காங்க.
ஓகே.
சரி பார்க்கலாம். நெக்ஸ்ட். Who's the Kartika, congrats. Come on. இன்னும் 3 more questions.
Yeah.
இது ஈஸி. Gmail தானே?
சீரியஸ் மியூசிக்ல போடுறாங்க இந்த क्वेश्चन. சர்ச். பரவாயில்ல. ஸ்வாதிகா உன் பேச்சு நிறைய பேர் கேக்குறாங்க பாரு.
சாரி. இப்படிதான் நான் ஸ்பாயில் பண்ணிட்டே இருப்பேன். நீங்க தான் கரெக்டா போகணும்.
நான் நம்பி எல்லாரும் வராங்க. நீ என்ன தட்டி விட்டு போயிடுறீங்க.
ஹரிணி
திருப்பி ஏன் வந்த நீ?
Which one is Google's database?
Cloud. Firebase, dude, it's Firebase. வரல கீப் யாரும் போடலாம் நினைக்கிறேன். அருணி என்ன நீ கோர் டீம்ல எல்லாரும் நீ புஷ் பண்ணணும். நீ ஏன் புல் பண்றீங்க எல்லாரையும்?
Giving a tough competition இப்போல இருந்தே வாங்க எல்லாரும்.
சரி ஓகே. கம் ஆன். ஹரிணியை பீட் பண்ணுங்க யாராச்சும்.
நேசன் இன்ட்ரஸ்டட் ஆன் திஸ் பாயிண்ட். பரவாயில்லை 33 பேர் கவனிச்சிருக்காங்க. Dude, machine learning. Come on. Karan, what's your take? Certain machine learning யூஸ் பண்ணி சொல்லிருக்காங்க. நீ தான் கவனிச்சுக்கணும். Okay, there's one more rule. Okay,
Shamini, highest answer streak. Shamini. Harini, last question. Come on. Harini, beat பண்ணுங்க யாராச்சும்.
நீ பரவாயில்லை கரெக்டா சொல்றாங்களே.
Easy question. Okay. யார் இப்ப டாப்ல இருக்குது? Come on.
Kushini, yay. Okay. Shamini. Narina. Yay.
Prithvi,
Congratulations, Prithvi.
Yeah, Balaji and Samuel is also here. Yay, good job.
Congrats to all 5 of you. Super. Especially Prithvi. Harini beat பண்ணிட்ட.
Yay.
Come on, all 5 of you introduction கொடுங்க chatல. A small introduction please. All 5 of you. Who won?
You too. Hi. So Shruti, you want to talk?
Guys, if you want to talk, you have to ask us. Only presenters can talk. So if you want, we can make you presenters. Or else you are good to go and chat.
Shruti said hello. Balaji said he's from mechanical third year.
Hi.
Samuel said he's from second year CSC.
Okay.
I know enthusiastic you because I saw you yesterday in the IoT workshop also. Shruti is from second year IT.
Okay, congrats to all of you. Okay, then let's get back. That was a nice break with active participation. Okay, so அதான் முடிக்க போறோம் கொஞ்சம் please hang on. சரி, now you can ask me. Will be only conduct events and nothing more அப்படின்னு கேட்பீங்க. But the answer is no. We will be constructing different projects also. என்ன மாதிரி ப்ராஜெக்ட்ஸ்னு கேட்டிங்கன்னா and how will we build them together etc. கேட்பீங்க. So I'll explain all about it now. So have you ever heard of open source? If you have heard about it, chatல போடுங்க yes. Open source. It's very trending now, open source contributions and stuff. யாருக்கா தெரியுமா?
எப்படி தெரியுதுப்பா?
Super. So
very
yeah,
much.
That's great. So yeah, as it's really trending now, it's not a surprise that we have it as a part of our club. So what open source actually means is that we will start some projects and make the code of each project publicly accessible for everyone. So everyone can see and use the code and add your ideas to the project. For example, let's say that the app development team has a Flutter project and it has some bugs in it. So you can contribute to that project by solving those bugs. And if you have any idea or a feature to the app, you can also do that. So similarly, if you would like to contribute to any project, you can do so like this. And we will develop many projects in every team of our club. So every tech team, right from app development, web development, ML, AI, TDA, we have this project development idea. So yeah, we have a list of projects, but ideas kondu varala. But stay tuned until the next announcement for this open source idea. Okay. So நான் சொன்ன மாதிரி spoiler alert கொடுத்த மாதிரி we have a wave of programs coming ahead, but for this month we have a few, and our very first event is going to be the cloud program. 30 days of Google Cloud will start from this September and ends in October. So cloud technologies are trending, right? And cloud technologies is a vital stream of any company. So as a part of this event, you will be having hands-on lab sessions, webinars, trainings for Google Cloud, etc. And we also have a facilitator and an amazing team of 2 members from our campus to help you throughout the program. So the program forms will open up this month. So stay tuned until the next announcement and don't miss the chance to apply. Okay, Shantini, come on.
I'm here. Okay, now UiPath. UiPath is a global software company for robotic process automation, which streamlines processes, uncovers efficiency, and making the path to digital transformation fast and cost effective. So I'm selected as the student developer champion for the first time as a representative for the whole college. And also I'm in the first group of student champions among the 10 from India and 3 from Tamil Nadu. Everyone might have this question: what is student developer champion? Path is on a mission to enable everyone to learn automation skills for the future by offering free automation education via UiPath Academy. Their vision to have a robot for every person can be achieved sooner when we start with a robot for every student. Through the UiPath Student Developer Program, they aim to empower and upskill student communities with most sought after robotic process automation skills. So along with learning technology, students will also get an opportunity to network and hone their leadership skills. This program complements and builds on their academic alliance program, further strengthening their core mission. Next slide, please. Yeah. So the UiPath Student Developer Program revolves around UiPath Student Champions. So they call UiPath Student Champions as self-motivated, enthusiastic, and multitasking. But please leave that. And so we lead the UiPath student developer communities on our campuses. The champions will be guided, mentored, and trained on their RPA tools, AI and ML, and other associated technologies, which will be knowledge to the larger student community. So now we are starting with only 5 members from the whole campus. These members do not need any prerequisite or experience. They need to have this interest on learning and doing projects related to RP and automation. By saying this, I mean you should know what robotic process automation is and what it does. Just a simple definition or a kind of brief note, but not blank about this. I'm sure we would have this interest in building robots, so I'm expecting responses from you. I'm now in search of 5 core members, and then we will learn and select other members from college and explore, train, lead, and conduct many programs related to RPA, UiPath, and automation. And that's all the details I want to share. Thanks to Swatika for giving me this opportunity to share the information, and also we'll be collaborating for future events. Yeah, I'll just post the form link in the chat box. Interested one can fill the form, and after that, core members will be searching for members too. So let's automate together. Any queries?
Post them in the chat box, guys. And Shantini, thank you so much for the information. I'm sure that many of them will be interested, since RPA is also a very unique and growing field.
Yeah.
I think it will benefit every department, irrespective of their domains.
Yes,
Guys, she'll send the information
and
to you
also it is actually it has both technical and non-technical field. So if someone is interested in non-technical, like if you are interested in speaking about robots, you can also join, because this is both technical and non-technical. Don't think this is only of technical. Okay. So your responses are welcome, and if you have any queries, please ping me in WhatsApp. I'll be happy to message you. Okay. Thanks,
Sure. Okay, guys, last activity. I promise this is the last. We in the chat box, and everyone visit the link. We can virtually add sticky notes on the board. Okay, I want you to answer 2 questions on each sticky note you post. So the first question is, what do you expect from the club? And the second one is your feedback about the session and the club teams. So can someone post this link in the chat box? Varsha, can you post it? Varsha?
Yeah, I'm posting it. Moment.
Okay, guys, I'll post the link myself.
I posted it.
So.
யாருக்காவது தெரியுமா நம்ம ஏன் எப்படி பண்றோம்? யூசுவலா ஃபார்ம்ஸ் மாதிரி யூஸ் பண்ணாம ஏன் நம்ம ஜாம்போர்ட்ல போய் ஸ்டிக்கி நோட்ஸ்
Varsha, you have posted it. Fine. So yeah, go to that Jamboard and add your sticky notes. Let's see what responses we get. Okay, we have a lot of members. Come on, guys.
இதுல சைடுல வந்து அந்த ஆரோக்கு கீழே you'll have a note like thing that is for the sticky note. அதை கிளிக் பண்ணி அதுல டைப் பண்ணுங்க.
இவ்வளவு சொன்னோம், அதை சொல்லு. தேங்க்ஸ் வெரி மச்.
ஒரு நோட் மாதிரி ஒரு சிம்பிள் இருக்கா below that select arrow like thing. Click on that and you can add your message over there.
Okay, yeah, நம்ம ஏன் Google Forms மாதிரி யூஸ்
Fourth
பண்றோம்?
icon from the top. Yeah, that one. Shwatika point பண்றாங்க screenல that one.
Guys, here's the option. On the left side, you can click that and add your sticky notes. So yeah, this is how you add one. Okay, we have some responses. Thank you, enjoyed your session. Thank you for being here. And want to learn new things and trending updates about each domain. I'm sure you will, and whoever that is. I'm looking forward to skill up. Guys, just add a sticky note. Don't scribble on the Jamboard.
Okay, there's one more request. Anana, like, please don't call me Swatik or Harni as Akka or ma'am. Call us by our names.
Okay, we are getting some nice responses. Okay, then you guys keep filling it. We will continue the session. Okay, so as we reach the end of the session, it is actually not possible for us to manually inform every class group of yours, right? So please, if you want to be updated about the club, follow us everywhere on social media, especially on Instagram and LinkedIn. And if you have any doubts, you can message there and our outreach team will help you in answering your questions. So these links will be sent again. So that's it, guys. For now, I have given most of the details about the club. So keep in touch for the cloud event this month, and please don't miss the RTA program as well. And yeah, for this month, these two events are up. And if you have any questions, you can type it away in the chat box. So thank you guys for joining. This was really a pleasure talking to you. And thank you again for your active participation. I've recorded the session, so it will be posted on YouTube. So you can see it and send it to your friends if they have missed today's fun. And if you have no other questions, then let's end the meet. If you have them on the chat box, we will try to answer them. Until then, thank you, take care, and bye-bye. You can post your questions.
say something?
ஹாய் சொன்னேன் அக்கா. இந்த கிளவுட் ஏதோ ப்ரோக்ராம் கனெக்ட் பண்ண போறீங்கன்னு சொன்னீங்கல்ல, அது வந்து லைக் ஆஃப்லைன் மாதிரி பண்ணலாமா? லைக் வந்து ஒரு 4 or 5 days அந்த மாதிரி, லைக் 30 days வருது. ஓகே ஓகே,
அது வேணா ஓடி வேணா கேட்டு பார்க்கலாம்.
ஓகேக்கா. ஆக்சுவலி மொபைல் ஆப் டெவலப்மெண்ட் கிளப்ல வந்து நம்ம
இப்போதான் உங்ககிட்ட ஏதோ சொன்னேன் நான்.
ஓகே ஓகே.
ஓகே, ராகவன் குமார் சர்டிஃபிகேட் வந்து நீங்கள் ஈவெண்ட்ஸில் பார்ட்டிசிபேட் பண்ணால் உங்களுக்கு கிடைக்கும். திஸ் இஸ் ஜஸ்ட் அன் இன்ட்ரோடக்ஷன் செஷன். ஸோ இதுக்கு சர்டிஃபிகேட் வராது. ஐ ஹோப் தட் கிளியர்ஸ் யுவர் டவுட். ஓகே, thank you. Thanks a lot for joining. You know that soon. Next session கூடிய சீக்கிரம் the Google Cloud programலாம் வருது. Be sure you join all that. WhatsApp groupல பாருங்க. We'll send you all the updates in that group. Second group link அனுப்பலையா? Please, you can join this group. This is not free.
Okay, core team members, camera on பண்ணுங்க. We will take a screenshot.
ரொம்ப நேரமா ஸ்கிரீன் ஃப்ரீஸ் ஆகி நிக்குது. இருக்கியா?
ஆமா எனக்கும் நான் நினைச்சேன் லைக் வந்து அக்காக்கு மட்டும்தான் ஆகுது போல, எனக்கு மட்டும்தான் ஆகுது போல நினைச்சிட்டு இருந்தேன்.
எல்லாருமே அப்படிதான் இருக்கா?
எனக்கு ஸ்கிரீன் அப்படியே ஃப்ரீஸ்
Reload
ஆயிடுச்சு.
பண்ணு.
If any of you
உன்
உங்களுக்கு
screen எங்களுக்கு
அட்டாச்னா
freeze ஆயிருக்கு.
ஸ்கிரீன்ஷாட் எடுக்க முடியுமா?
ஓகே.
இன்னும் அண்ணாமலை, ஜெயபிரீதா அப்புறம் சரண் வந்து அவங்களோட வீடியோ ஆன் பண்ணும்.
எஸ்.
ப்ளீஸ் பசி எடுக்குது, போய் சாப்பிடணும்.
அண்ணாமலை தூங்கிட்டியா?
கான்டெஸ்ட் क्वेश्चन அப்புறமா ரெடி பண்ணலாம் வாங்க.
அக்கா எடுக்கலாமாக்கா? நான் சாரி அக்கா இன்னும் கூட எங்க இதா இருக்கா?
ஈஸிலியா இருக்கா?
இப்பதான் நான் பேசி பார்க்கறேன். சரண் ரெட்டி மட்டும் ஆன் பண்ணல போல.
ஓகே டன். ஸ்கிரீன்ஷாட் நான் எடுக்கவா?
யாரும் எடுக்கலாம்.
ஓகே 3 2 1 ஸ்வாதிகா மட்டும் ஃப்ரீஸ் ஆகி நிக்கிறா. என்ன பண்றது?
சரி பண்ணிடலாம்.
அவளுக்கு கேக்குதா இல்லையானே தெரியலையே.
எடுக்கும் போது சொல்லிருங்கக்கா, நான் ஃப்ரீஸ் ஆயிட்டு இருக்கேன்.
ஓகே ஓகே போய்ட்டா. ஐ திங்க் வில் வெயிட் ஃபார் ஹர் டு ஜாயின்.
ஓகே.
வாங்க லீட். ஓகே யூ ஆர் ஃபைன். ஜெயபிரீதா ஆல்ரைட். எடுக்கவா ஸ்வாதிகா?
எடு.
அவ்வளவுதான். நான் பிளைனா இருக்கு. ஏதோ போஸ் ஏதோ பண்ணுங்க. இங்கேயும் வந்து வர்ஷா
ஓகே வேற என்ன பண்றது தெரியல.
இப்படி பண்ணலாமா? நம்ம கிளப் லோகோ கொஞ்சம் மேட்ச் ஆகுது.
ஓகே நைஸ்.
எஸ் அதேதான். கணேசன் பண்ற மாதிரியே பண்ணுங்க.
ஓகே யார் அப்ப ஸ்கிரீன்ஷாட் எடுப்பா?
நான் எடுக்கிறேன்.
ஓகே
அவ்வளவுதான். ஆல்ரைட் டன். அபிஷா டன். ஓகே ஒரே நிமிஷம் நீடு. ஒரே நிமிஷம். ஓகே டன். சூப்பர். Thank you.
எல்லாரும் சூப்பரா பேசுனீங்க. வேற லெவல். நான் எதிர்பார்க்கவே இல்லை.
கிரேட் இன்ட்ரோடக்ஷன். சீரியஸா
எல்லாரும் செமையா பேசுனீங்க.
அண்ணாமலை என்ன
And ஸ்ரீராம் ஸ்பெஷல் தேங்க்ஸ் டு யூ. ஏன்னா வந்து எதிர்பார்க்கவே இல்லை. நாங்க அஸ்வின் ஹெச் ஆக்சுவலி வந்து இன்னைக்கு வரல. ஸோ அவனுக்கு பதிலா வந்து ஸ்ரீராம் வந்து. தேங்க்யூ ஸோ மச்.
கிரேட் இன்ட்ரோடி. தேங்க்யூ. தேங்க்ஸ் அலாட்.
நைஸ் மீட்டிங் யூ. பை.
லீவ் ஆலாமா?
லீவ் ஆயிடும்.
பை गाइस.
பை.
ரெக்கார்டிங் பாத்துக்கோ ஸ்வாதிகா.
நான் ரெக்கார்ட் பண்ணிட்டேன்.
அப்புறம் ட்ரிம் பண்ணிக்கலாம்.
ஓகே